soloist. And a few months ago, I arranged an acoustic kind of version of the song I Miss You by Blink-182 for a lunch concert at my school that I was doing, and I performed it at 2 different concerts, I think, and I kind of forgot to upload it, so here, I'm finally uploading it, so I hope you guys like it. Shadow in the background of the morgue, the unsuspecting victim of darkness in the valley. Live like Jack and Sally if we want, but you can always find me. We'll have Halloween on Christmas in the night. We'll wish this never ends. We'll wish this never ends. And I'm so sorry, I cannot sleep, I cannot drink tonight. I need somebody in old ways. Sick, strange darkness is creeping on, so haunting every night. And as I stared, I counted the webs from all the spiders, catching things and eating their insides.